What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. This is tutorial 23 and today's topic will be frame flowable. So we have already seen what are the different components available within the flowable or the platypus thing. So we have seen like paragraph, we have seen other components like some template and all. So in this topic probably we are going to talk about frames. So I think no more topic or no more tutorial required for frame. So I'll just give you like very basic or brief understanding or introduction to frame, and after that you guys can go ahead and use all those things by your own. So before moving forward, so as I told you, this is going to be very precise and specific tutorial with frame. I will tell you guys how you can create frames and how you can use this thing, what are the benefit of using frame. But if you want to know like frame in detail, you can just follow the Reportlab official guide. But again, whatever I'm going to teach you today, it is actually taken from the Reportlab official guide. So if someone interested to learn more in detail or in depth kind theoretical part, can go ahead and learn some other stuff like or search some other stuff from Stack Overflow or some popular Python repositories available within GitHub. So first thing first, what is frame? Frame are active container which are themselves contained in page templates. So within a page template you can create multiple frames, and within that frame you can have your like PDF contents or the paragraph contents, whatever contents. Frames have a location, size, maintain concept of remaining the drawable space. So frames contain like dimension, like location and size means it has dimension, like you need to specify the location, and the size means width and height. Frames can be used directly canvases and flowable. So canvases means like whatever we have seen in the earlier videos, we have always used PDF like canvas.canvas method. Now we are using from flowable using simple doctemplate method. So it is like the same thing. Frame can be used with canvas and flowable as well. The frame dot add from list method handles the wrap. So I'll teach you guys how you can create this frame thing. So this method is very useful. So now how to create frames, I'll show you guys the simple thing how to create frames. Okay, so first thing first, let me open this thing. Okay, from Reportlab dot Platypus import paragraph I think frame and simple doc template. Then next thing from Reportlab dot PDF gen import canvas from Reportlab dot lib dot units centimeter from Reportlab dot lib dot styles get sample style sheet. Now we'll create the PDF object using canvas. So PDF equals to canvas dot canvas, and we'll use, let's say this is tutorial 23, so tutorial 23.pdf. okay, so now the next thing is we'll create some sort of flowable now. So flow underscore object is this. Okay, so flow. Now what I'll do, I will create a frame using frame, and it's required like left margin, top margin, bottom margin. So left margin, let's say 20, then bottom probably 50, then let's say width is 50 and height is 50. Okay, So now frame dot add from list, so the draw list, probably now this flow object. Okay, and our canvas thing is PDF, so this thing, and we'll save this thing now, pdf dot save. So there will be one frame, so it's done, but nothing will be created. So I'll show you guys. So this is here, let me refresh this thing now. This is not coming, it may be damaged, tutorial 23, cause nothing is there, so that is why. So what I'll do, we need to create the border, show boundary equals to 1. So let's run this thing again. Okay, now open this thing. So see, this is a nice looking form. Okay, so the first one is this left boundary, means this one, left margin is here, starts from here. The bottom margin means this one start from here actually. Then this is the width is 50 and height is 50. So if we increase this thing, let's say 80. Okay, see, width get increased. Okay, so like this. So now what I'll do, I will try to write something in this frame, but before that, so now we have seen how to create frame. Okay, so I will just write this thing here. Okay, how to add text inside your frame. So now we haven't done anything, we are just a simple blank frame. Okay, so now what we'll do, let's say text, simple thing. Okay, right. So you can write something, this is frame. Okay, and p underscore text is going to be paragraph less text, and probably style is going to be styles normal. Okay, and then we need to just flow underscore object dot append, and we'll use this p-text. Okay, so if I run this thing now, so style is not defined. Oh, well, so this is S, and we need to define the style. Actually I forgot to do this thing, so here it will be like get sample style sheet. Now it will work. So let's open this thing now. See, it came inside. This is frame. So this is also done. So very simple thing. So let me write this thing here. No, we don't need this thing. Why it came with this? No color. Okay, the next thing is that how to add text and image inside your frame. Now it is asking, or like our next use case is to put image. Okay, so how to put image, so that is the main challenge now. So our frame is at this position. So what I'll do, I'll just create pdf dot draw image. So probably image is going to be logo.jpg, XY coordinate now, so it is probably the same location. So 20 means probably I can make it from, let's say, from 25, and Y the same thing. 20, let's say, let's make it from 55, and with, let's say, 40 and 30. Okay, so hopefully this should work. Actually, let's see. Hola, see, it came inside actually. So we can increase this thing definitely to 60. Let's see. Yes, that's all guys. So this is very simple. So our frame start coordinate is 20 and 50, so I just give 25 and 55, so it is like a bit from here actually, that is why. So it starts from here and starts from here. If I put 20, then it will start from here. So probably I can do the same thing. Let's see how it works actually. Let's see. See, it's very nice. So I can create this thing to 80 and make it 50. Let's see. The whole thing will be covered. See, the whole thing is covered now, right? This is very nice. So now the thing is that if someone wants to create this border in a different color, so that is the next tutorial. So probably I can just save this thing. Okay, so probably how to change this thing. Okay, how to change frame boundary color. Okay, so what is required here, let's say pdf dot set stroke color, and I can just make it to red, and let's see whether it is getting changed or not. Simple, it's very simple. See, it's red now, right? So now what you can do, we can create multiple frame as well. So for that, what you have to do, it is 20 50 means it you have to start it from 70 position, and like this, not 70, it should start from 110. So let's see how it goes now. Okay, so let's run this thing. See here. Okay, but one thing, FLOWABLES.pdf, but in this PDF actually it is not here, just because. So what you have to do, we have to just create this thing again. Okay, after this line you have to write this thing again, but now you have to give it 110, then remaining things will be all same. So let's see this thing now. See, this is how we can create multiple things, but if you say that this is missing, so yes, definitely it is missing. So for that, what you have to do, okay, flow object is here, append.ptext, and this object location is kind of okay. This is logo, this is this, but let me check one thing. Okay, so what you have to do, we have to explicitly use this thing again here as well. Need to create new I'm just thinking, this is append, this is here, and this is after that's done, so we need to do this thing again here. Let me create a new flow object, then it will be obj1 and this, then okay, and this. Okay, so that's it. We'll see it came. So in the ideal or the real life scenario, we need to use some sort of for looping, and the number of the number of frames you require, we can just loop through it. But just because, as I told you, I can teach you how you can use the different components of frames, so I'm not going into that much complex logic. So but definitely it is possible dynamically. Okay, so let me just take a copy paste of this thing. Okay, and definitely I need to make it a smaller. 40 is fine, and I need to remove this thing. Okay, but not for this one. Okay, how to change frame boundary color and create multiple frames. So everything completed or covered for this frame tutorial, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. So as you can see, guys, this is going to be very essential whenever you are going to write some sort of like or generate some sort of form. Like in the form you need to have some sort of like text box or nice looking tables. So frame is very important to hold your contents. Okay, it actually going to work as a container. So this is going to be very important. So guys, I'll highly recommend you to start practicing or start doing practice. Try to write your own code, try to develop, or try to think analytically like what else you can do, then only it will help you. If you watch my video and after that don't do anything, definitely will forget. So it doesn't matter. So that's all, guys. That's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice weekend. And before closing this tutorial, guys, please watch our other videos as well. Put some comments, feedback, suggestion, complaint, whatever you have, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. So hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice weekend.